Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on customizing headers in WordPress. If you've ever wanted your website's header to look perfect on your devices, this video is for you. By the end of this short walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to adjust and fine-tune your header so your site looks clean, modern, and professional across all screens. Let's get started by heading over to WordPress. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the sign in page where you can access your account. For a faster and more secure login, select Continue with Google. You'll then see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one that's connected to your WordPress site. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This tells WordPress you're ready to start customizing the design and layout of your website. Once the site editor opens, you'll see a list of your sites. Select the one you want to work on. This will bring you inside the editor where you have full control over your website's appearance. Now, to make sure your changes are optimized for your specific devices, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon that looks like a small laptop. Click on it, and a few display options will appear. From these, select what type of view you want. This step is super important. It switches to preview to show exactly how your website appears on a phone or tablet. You'll now be able to make changes that specifically enhance the look and usability of your site on smaller screens. With the mobile view active, focus on the header section of your page. Click directly on the header area to activate the editing options. Here's where you can get creative and fine-tune the design to your liking. Let's start by adjusting the padding. Padding controls the space around the elements inside your header, like your logo, navigation menu, or tagline. By increasing or decreasing the padding, you can make your header look more balanced and comfortable on screens. Take a moment to experiment with these settings. Notice how small adjustments can make a big difference in the overall look and feel. A well-spaced header not only improves aesthetics, but also helps users read and navigate your site more easily. Once you're happy with the design, review the header again in mobile view. Make sure all the text, buttons, and icons fit nicely and are easy to tap. The goal is to ensure your header looks professional and functions smoothly, no matter what device your visitors are using. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WordPress header for every device. With just a few simple changes, you've made your site more user-friendly and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and share it with anyone looking to improve their website's design. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your beautifully customized header.